Hi, I'm Jennifer Patterson-Toohey, here with Dwell Magazine to bring you some fresh insights into the smart home. Today, we're going to look at how the smart home can be a caring home. Americans are getting older fast. By 2035, there'll be more of us over the age of 65 than under 18 for the first time in history. We're living longer and would prefer to stay at home or age in place. The smart home can help. According to experts we spoke with, there are 3 key things you need to turn your home into a smart home that will help you live out your golden years in peace and safety. High-speed internet to keep you connected, a smart alarm system to provide safety and security, and a smart home hub that will let the connected devices you're going to buy talk to each other and to your loved ones, so they can make sure everything's okay as well. If that sounds like a lot of gadgets already, there are some excellent 2-in-1 solutions that will help simplify your smart home. Samsung's SmartThings Wi-Fi is a mesh Wi-Fi network that will cover your entire home with internet, plus a smart home hub. Abode is a smart home security system with a hub built in. And the Echo Plus is a voice assistant plus a hub. The hub in each of these devices allows them to also control smart lights, door locks, thermostats, and other devices through their app or with voice control. In this home, a motion sensor by the bed turns on a light, making it safer to move around. It also sends a notification that the person is out of bed, letting the caregiver know that they're up and about safely. A Wallabot home in the bathroom scans constantly to see if a person has fallen. If it detects a fall, it'll call an emergency contact and open a 2-way communication channel right on the device. A contact sensor on the medicine cabinet can send an alert when it's open, indicating to a caregiver that the person has taken their medication this morning. And then, the Alexa virtual assistant can wake up the house with just a simple command.
Hi Jennifer, this is Life Pod. Good morning, it's December 6th, 2018. I just wanted to check in. How did you sleep last night?
I did not sleep well.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'll have your daughter give you a call to check on you.
Meet LifePod. This is a new system built on Amazon's Alexa service that's a glimpse into the future of virtual assistants. LifePod uses proactive voice, talking to you unprompted. This one knows what you need and prompts you when you need it. But key for aging in place is that LifePod can be programmed remotely by a caregiver, so your son or daughter can remind you of calendar appointments, offer daily prompts for taking medications, and crucially, set check-ins, allowing them to know how you're doing without them having to nag you all the time. Alexa, ask June to preheat the oven to 375 degrees.
Okay, starting bake.
Preparing healthy meals easily is crucial to aging in place. But as we age, the kitchen can become a challenge. Smart devices like the June oven can help make cooking simpler and safer. With one-button cooking programs, food recognition, a built-in meat thermometer, and voice control, this small, smart oven can help a senior living alone cook safe, nutritious meals unassisted. Forgetting to turn off electronics such as space heaters, ovens, coffee pots can pose a serious danger and becomes more common as we age and experience memory loss. A device called Sense provides instant access to all the electrical devices in your household, make it easy to turn them off safely and to turn them off remotely. Caregivers can also receive alerts. So if there's no activity in the house, say the garage door didn't open or the toaster didn't work in the morning, they know to check in and see if you're okay. Smart home technology has huge potential to help us age in place. Whether you're looking to help your parents stay in their homes for longer or planning for your future in your home, installing smart devices today can help with all our tomorrows to help us feel safe, secure, and connect us to loved ones who could come to our aid should the unthinkable ever happen.